It's the Japanese Type 14 Nambu pistol, and I put a few rounds through it today, so we're going to take it apart and clean it, and you can have a look at how it works while I'm doing that. This is the holster for it. Inside there's an extra magazine and the cleaning rod. This pouch is for an extra box of ammunition. And if you push down on it and push the magazine release in, you can pull this trigger grip off. Okay, next, push this down right here. That will let you unscrew the cocking knob. All that comes out. Barrel. It's a bolt, recoil springs, and here's the firing pin. And if you have a Nambu, don't dry fire it because it's very delicate, it breaks easily. It's a spring for the firing pin. You can take the grips off fairly easy by undoing the screw, but I don't need to do that right now.